Chapter 10. When the phone rings in the morning, I smack the snooze button on my alarm clock. The ringing doesn't stop, even though I smack it again and again. "Answer the phone!" Lindsay screams and pounds on her bedroom wall. "Stop banging the wall!" Dad shouts and pounds on his own wall. That's when I realize that my alarm clock doesn't ring. It beeps. I answer the phone. "Yeah?" "Hey, buddy." It's Elliot. He called me buddy. I try to think of something nice to say to show him I'm sorry and want to be friends again, but all that comes out is a sleepy, "Hey." "You ready for school?" Elliot asks. It sounds like he's laughing, but I'm still too tired to process much. "Elliot," I say, wiping gunk out of my eyes, "I'm really sorry about yesterday. What I said was, I'm so over that." "Really?" I can't believe Elliot's forgiven me so easily. But I am sorry. Yeah, whatever. By the way, Tommy Murphy spent the day at my place yesterday, and he let me in on something important. My heart hammers. Tommy Murphy? A couple of years ago, he threw pine cones at us while we walked home from school. When Elliot turned to tell him to quit, Tommy nailed him in the head with a rock. Elliot's forehead bled like crazy, so his mom called a doctor friend. She told Elliot's mom to stick Elliot's skin back together with crazy glue. Crazy glue! And it worked, except Elliot still has a scar. "The Tommy Murphy?" "Yeah," Elliot says. "The one who lives in your apartment building?" "Duh. Whatever Tommy Murphy is there, David?" "But I thought—" I hear muffled laughter. "What's that?" "What's what?" Elliot coughs. I don't hear anything else. "So what did Tommy let you in on?" "Oh," Elliot says, "you know that whole dress code thing?" "Yeah." "Tommy told me all the kids are purposely breaking it today." "Breaking it?" My voice cracks. "All the kids?" "You know, the 7th and 8th graders and the cool 6th graders." I remember Mom's letter. Don't break any rules, especially on the first day. "But I'm definitely wearing a t-shirt," Elliot says. "You should too." "Really?" I whisper, as though the dress code police can hear me. "David, if you don't wear a t-shirt today, the 8th graders are going to target you for the rest of the year." "No!" Everything Jack says rushes back. I don't want to be a target. "Exactly," Elliot says. "That's why I'm looking out for you, buddy." "Thanks, but do you really think—" I bite my bottom lip. "Yeah," Elliot says. "Everyone's doing it." "But I thought—" "Relax, David. This is a no-brainer. You don't want to be labeled a dork your first day, do you?" "No, but—" "So you'll wear a t-shirt today?" I swallow hard and push Jack and Mom's words from my mind. "Yeah, I'll wear one." I slide out of bed, wondering how I'll sneak past Dad. "So, Elliot, you coming to my house, or you want me to walk to yours?" I promised Tommy I'd walk with him. My stomach squeezes, but since Elliot's being a good guy about everything, I made a concession. "I can meet both of you at your place then." Silence. I mean, if that's okay, why wouldn't it be? "Look, David, how about we meet you in the school's courtyard?" "But just wear your t-shirt and meet us in the courtyard." Before I click off the phone, I know exactly which t-shirt I'll wear.